Just so you guys know, there's a tree on my house. Hello, boos. We are gathered here today to give not only a very extraordinary, unexpected story on this channel, but I'm coming back to fancy vlogs here now that I'm finally home with a bang. If you guys have been following up with me, I've been traveling all over since 2022 started. And this is my first official 3 to 4 weeks home. And with this time being home, I've been renovating the house, decorating it how I want it to look. And I'm actually really excited to let you know in this video, before we get into this absolutely chaotic event, I'm gonna be posting a home transformation series from now till Gaboween so that my house is completely how I want it to look before we get into the holiday seasons. By the way, this entire bed is from Acme, or ACME, I don't know how you pronounce it, but you guys should definitely check out their website. I will be linking this bed down below. I am gonna be doing an entire queen suite tour once I get my official bedding and official decor, but for the time being, because I know I'm gonna be getting a lot of questions, I will be linking my bed down below, and that's where this bed is from. Hey mom, I'm filming. So the day that this happened, I actually had posted on my Instagram story, hey guys, I'm gonna be filming some fancy vlogs. Can you guys give me some video ideas? And I left the message section open for you guys to leave your input, and I wanted to see what you guys had to say. And this exact day, I started putting together a little schedule and calendar. So as you guys can see, and this room has a lot to do with this epic story. This is my new bedroom, and this is a bedroom that was not a bedroom, and it's a bedroom now. This home was going towards a very light and airy oasis vibe. Now I'm totally embracing the cottage castle vibe. From the outside, I have pink shutters, pink door. It looks like a cottage. Then on the inside, I'm trying to turn these little cottage rooms into very aesthetically pleasing palace vibes. I have a suite up here. It's the master bed, my bathroom, and then the walk-in closet. Like I was saying, I posted on my Instagram asking for video ideas, and ironically, at 5 a.m., God gave me a freaking video. I'm still getting over the initial shock and anxiety, but we're gonna get into this story. So before I get into the story, I do wanna let you guys know, because when I was looking at my video requests, a lot of you guys are asking what my summer skincare routine is. So I am gonna just show you one product I have been using a lot. My skincare routine has been fluctuating, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't been sticking to one set skincare routine because I've been traveling a lot, forgetting certain products, having to get new products in a different country or state. And the only thing I've 100% been bringing with me everywhere is my Teamy Detox Mask. It looks like this. Saved my skin during all my travels. Comes with this brush. Mine's dirty because I use it all the time. I saw other YouTubers using this. It's really good at focusing on getting rid of gunk and blackheads, and I've been wearing so much makeup, and I'm someone who loves to travel with makeup on because, if I can, I'll do a full beat because I just like to travel looking nice. And also my job is very high demand with full makeup, going to events, shooting videos, content on all platforms. I'm just always wearing makeup every day, so I need a detox mask. As you can see, my skin has improved a lot since the beginning of my travel vlogs because of the change of water, all the flying with makeup on. I also noticed the elasticity in my skin has gotten so much better. My favorite part about this is how cooling it is when I apply it to my face. Overall, my pores have been totally clogged and enlarged, and this has been my holy grail. I'm linking it down below. I have a code Gabi20 for 20% off. This spatula makes applying this so fun, by the way. So I'm gonna leave this sit, and then I'm gonna use my Teamy Bright Dark Spot Serum. I love to use this after using this mask because it helps with my dark spots and discoloration, my under eye bag, and overall just brightens my face. I feel like this is a really good product to use before bed. You can just let it seep into your skin as you're sleeping, and then you wake up and your skin is nice and glowy. One of my flaws is my acne marks. I don't know if you can see, I just have discoloration, but it's been getting so much better with the dark spot serum. Look how smooth my skin is after using that mask. Do you see this? I feel like all these years, I finally found a solution to the acne scarring issue. I feel like the only place I still have scarring is right here. Even though my summer skincare routine has been switching up here and there, these two things are what have been staying in my travel bag. I hope I answered your guys' question, and I'm linking everything down below in the description box. Let's get back into the story time. I had actually planned to film a whole updates video telling you guys about my home reno series and telling you guys about my future plans with this channel and telling you guys that Beautiful Mess is restocked after August 11th. My website will be back up and running after that date, but my creamy pistachio vanilla cupcake fragrance, Beautiful Mess, is going to be available again on my website, gabifragrances.com, after August 11th. So you guys get to buy her for the Gaboween and Gabmas season. I have been using her for a room spray. She matches my room so nicely. I'm so excited to decorate this room for Halloween and Christmas. It's my first night on this bed in my bedroom. Very first night. Literally hours before, I had just put the sheets on, my temporary comforter on. Haven't even spent more than like 4 hours in this room. Nobody was here, which is really, really rare because I'm always having people here. People are always sleeping here or coming over. So this is like a very rare event. Like I'm always surrounded by people. I was home alone with Bear, and I woke up at 5 a.m. to a really, really big boom. I thought like a bookshelf fell or something, but then like, cause I just woke up from sleep, I was like, wait, that was a little too big of a boom. Like the entire room, house shook. And I was kind of too scared to even get up. I was like, maybe it was a part of a dream. Maybe I'm just losing it. Bear, who was sleeping in the other bedroom downstairs, came running up the steps, barking, looked at me and was jerking his head to the door. And I was like, what the heck? You know, dogs are so smart. And when I saw him do that, I was like, something definitely happened downstairs and I definitely don't want to see. Like I just didn't know what I was gonna walk downstairs to. I had all this anxiety. It did feel like the house just overall felt different, and that's not me being dramatic, like it just felt different. I didn't know if anything happened with the house or outside. I knew something crazy happened because the last time my house or a house that I was in shook like that was in like the 2007 random earthquake in Pennsylvania. So I go downstairs and he's like walking me through the kitchen and all the other rooms, and then all of a sudden he brings me to the door. We have like a few doors. It was like a clear door. I looked out, I saw leaves. Then I looked up, I saw bark. A tree fell on my house, on majority of the roof, like the house. I'm so happy and I'm so lucky that this room was on the complete opposite side of the house. It was like 2,000, 3,000 pound tree just like on my house. Gutters being pulled down. There's photos I'm obviously inserting. I can't even imagine what that would have been like if it was like on me. And now I feel like if I didn't even have this fear before, I have it now. I'm scared of going to sleep and just like something happening. That never like crossed my mind that that could happen. I knew that stuff happens, but I would always be like, a tree falling on a house. Once it, like what, 1 in 100. That happens. Birds are chirping, the sun's coming up, nobody's awake. It wasn't even storming. Can we talk about that? There was no storm. The tree just randomly went. My business manager, I keep bringing her up. She's in LA. Anybody and everybody that could help me is asleep. A tree is on my house. There's nothing I can do. I just gotta go back to bed. Like no one was awake. So I had texted my neighbors. I was like, just so you guys know, there's a tree on my house. Nothing I can do right now. Everyone's sleeping, so I'm gonna go back to bed. Cause I didn't want like everyone to wake up and be like, oh my God, there's a tree on Gabby's house. And just like, you know, be like, Gabby. So I wanted to let them know I was aware there was a tree on my house, but there was nothing I could do about it at 5 a.m. I went back to bed. Of all days, my friends are all hitting me up to say, do you want to hang out? What are you doing? What are you up to? They're calling me, trying to catch up. And I was just like, hey guys, there's a tree on my house, but I'm okay. I'm safe. My animals are safe. And I'm so happy and blessed that I can say that. A lot worse things could have happened. Half of my house on the top is like up right now. You can like buy, replace anything. When it comes to animals and people you love, like that is scary. And now I feel like I have this new instilled fear of just like something collapsing while you're sleeping. I think it's the craziest thing that's ever happened to me being a homeowner. And I hope to God that this never happens to me ever again. And if any of you guys have gone through this or like your family has gone through this, can you just like drop some advice in the comments down below? Because I definitely have been like a little shaken up after that. Insurance sent people over to remove the branches. Someone else is coming tomorrow morning to take down the entire old tree. And then our roof is getting repaired, which this was very ironic. I was already going to get my roof replaced in October. It's a slate roof and it was just, you know, it's an old roof. So I was already going to be getting my entire roof replaced. Then God was just like, here's a tree. And now I guess insurance is helping out with what I was already gonna do. So I try to find just like a silver lining or like a positive outlook on like such crazy situations. And I know I posted about this on my Instagram and you guys are always like, oh my God, why does the worst things happen to you? This is the craziest thing. I wanna say this is the worst thing, but it's not. It could have been so much worse. And if anything, I consider myself so lucky. It just could have been so much worse. And I do feel like this horrible thing did have a better, like way better outcome than what I would have had in my liking. You can't control what happens. The universe kind of just does its thing, and the universe just said, here is a check for your roof. So that's how I'm just gonna decide to look at it. It decided to do that on my house right then and there. And I'm trying not to dwell on that because that is a very, very scary thing that it just did that. So that was my crazy story of the week. So one last update, I am clearing out my summer wardrobe and all of my hand-me-downs and items I've worn in vlogs. They're all at Designer Consignor right now. There is so much stuff. So I am writing personal letters with every order for the end of the summer sale. So you guys can check them out down below in the description box. And I really can't wait to show you. I have a huge haul. I think that's gonna be my next vlog. I'm gonna just show you guys all the things that I got wardrobe wise, interior decor wise for this house and like the next seasons coming up. So I love you, get excited, and I'll see you in my next fancy vlog.